that the people, the overall acreage in terms of, I think it comes to almost 1 million hectares or a little less than that, which the army occupies in various places around the country. And with the national goal of trying to increase the forest cover from 22 to 33%, I think this would take not only concerted government effort, but more necessarily we feel voluntary efforts, both at organizations, NGOs, and the individual level. And this is an area where we feel that afforestation can be helped because of the way we at least try and go about it, because of three things which we do. One is the commitment which is there. Any new station which we start, a new military station comes up, the first thought is to see that it becomes green, that it all the qualities or the parameters of the environment which we require to be done are done. Second point being supervision, and third is an audit. No commander is told anything. It is a self-generated target which we create for ourselves at every level, and that is something which we need to do, and that's what we intend to commit. And that is why when we talk of this, whether it is any particular cantonment, any town or city, it just comes naturally as part of our normal routine, if it were. Second thing which we are doing is this question of herbal gardens. This is being done with the help of various government departments as well, and with especially the National Medicinal Plant Board, we got a lot of help in 4 particular cities in areas of our cantonments. We have started this in Pune, in Bhopal, and certain other areas. This has caught the fancy. In fact, it does both things. Creates a better exposure to our people itself, as well as it provides this medicinal plants both for the community which is there within and without. And also, as this last picture down below you might see, in fact, right down 3 kilometers from here where the BB Cant is there, where the army is located, we have an army public school.